Welcome to my channel, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This will be my first video on this channel. I do have two other channels. I'll leave the links to those channels in the description box below. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below, also that notification bell. That way when I upload videos, you guys will be notified. I'll be putting out a lot of automotive content for you guys, especially with my truck. Today's video, as you guys see back there, is going to be my 2016 Ford F150. I recently traded in my 2014 Ford F150 5.0 for this here, which is a 2016 Ford F150 3.5 EcoBoost. Want to change it up a little bit, want something a little newer. I've always loved the 12th gen Ford F150s, but the 13th gens, they have grown on me, so I decided to trade it in today's market. They gave me more for what I still owed on the truck, so I went ahead and did that. Going forth with this video, I do apologize for the wind. Here in Wisconsin, they're forecasting 35-mile-an-hour winds with up to 55-mile-an-hour gusts. So I do have the mic wind filter on, so hope that helps a little bit. But let's get started with today's video. So I mentioned this is a 2016 Ford F150 XLT 302A package. It's mainly stock. Start at the front here. I have some C-light LEDs, low beams and high beams, and I have some amber fog lights. Amber fog lights tend to cut through snow and rain a lot more. As you can see here, my dog. I have 20-inch rims on here, 275, 65 R20s. These are 20 by 9s, stock height. And yes, I did cut my crash bars. So you guys can see, it sits really nice. Sticks out just a little past the fender, which is what I was going for. Again, this is the XLT package 302A, meaning it's got heated seats, lumbar, etc. A lot of options. This is the magnetic gray. It does have a little bit of sparkle in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but I had a black truck before. I didn't want to go black, but still wanted to keep somewhat darker color. Rear backup camera and the tailgate light, which is super nice. Backup sensors. I am planning to do a lot of mods to this truck. The only thing I've done so far is the rims there and a catch can. A lot of people say you don't need the catch cans for the 2015 and newer, I believe, EcoBoost, but for 25 bucks I picked up a catch can and I installed it. So far it's been doing good. It's been catching a lot of blow by and everything like that of what it's designed to do. So hopefully on my next oil change I can empty that out. Let's go with the interior. Power seats for passenger. This here I'll be showing you guys how to do the vent to atmosphere mod. Still like it down, girl. Come on. You're not going anywhere. It's got the touchscreen display. Does not have navigation. Heated seats. And rear sliding window, which is what I wanted for my dog. Back seat super nice. 60-40 split. Got my spare tire kit right here. Something a lot of people don't carry is the first aid kit. I carry that and a tourniquet just because I go to the gun range a lot. Keep this on hand. Basic first aid kit, bandages, etc. Wraps. Got the factory rubber Ford floor mats. I did find these on Facebook Market. Good place to look for if you guys are in the market. Mine did come with the cloth ones, but my kids and everything, I got rubber floor mats, and I'm planning to get the Husky liners just because they go all the way down here and my kids are messy. Got the jump seat. I want a jump seat, fit 6 up here for road trips, etc. Not a fan of the center console. Truck currently has 54,952,000 miles. Got a pedal adjustment, trailer backup, rear locking differential, trailer braking assist. This is something I'm going to change out. If you guys don't know, if yours does not come with Apple Play, you can buy a $70 piece. Swap that out, plug it in, and you should be good for Apple Play. One last thing, it does have the heated side mirrors, which is nice. This is the 3.5 EcoBoost. Like I said, this is the catch can I ordered. This is an Amazon special. I think I paid like 25 bucks for it. Basic installation. I should have shown this, but there's one labeled out and in. The in one's coming from the PVC pipe, and then the out is the one that's going right back into your intake manifold. It does have a dipstick on here. I wonder how much is in here actually. I'm sure you can see it. It's about a quarter of an inch full. Nothing else done to it. I am planning on getting an intake for this. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it down below in the comment section. I don't know which one to get. There's just so many of them. But for the vent to atmosphere mod, basically you want to follow this tube right here and down here. That tube right there runs down to your blow off valve. Basically you want to reach down here, twist. You hear a click. You're gonna pull down and take that off. You're gonna come down to the bottom here. You will see the other end of the recirculation pipe. Reach up, twist, and pull, and that whole piece should come out. So you're going to be left with the blow-off valve. So that's the piece, what it looks like after you take it out. I highly suggest you keep it for backup. So we're going to go inside here. It's a little less windy. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Basically you want to go to any hardware store or any home store that sells chair leg caps. I think these are called. Pick them up for a couple bucks. This is the 1 1/8", I believe. Get a hose clamp. Basically you're going to take the chair cap and put the hose clamp on it, and then you're going to plug up the hole that is on the bottom of this intake tube. And when you are done, it should look something like this. Like that. And that's it for the VTA mod. I'm going to start it up for you guys. You can kind of hear it when the car is not in motion, but when you're in motion and the car builds a boost, you can hear it a lot more. We'll see how long I keep this mod for. I think I might keep it on for a bit just to see if it affects any of the performance, meaning that if I get any turbo lag, etc., I'll keep you guys updated. Any mods you guys would like to see, comment down below. I'll try my best to film it for you guys, and whatever mods I end up doing to the truck, I'll keep posting that for you guys as well. That about wraps it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Again, hit that subscribe button down below, also the notification bell. And until next time, be safe everyone.